How to add product categories on Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add product categories on Wix. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will simply open up your Wix website and you have to open up your store. Once you get to your store, open up your dashboard. So this is our main dashboard of our Wix store that we have. So if you have a store on Wix, then you will of course have your own dashboard. Today I'll show you how to create product category. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to the store product option, and then you will get sub options such as product, inventory, and collections. So that's where we need to go. We need to go to collections. So here what we can do is we can create product categories and collections. In order to create a new collection or a category, you can click on new collection option, or we have this huge plus button. I'm going to click on new collection. So this is where you will give your category or collection a name. Let's call it winter. Then I can add products. Click on add product and we can select different products from our different product list. So I'm going to select this hoodie. Then we have this scarf and then maybe this one. I'm going to click on add and these three products will be added to my new category or collection. We can also select a collection image if we want, and we can also add a coupon or create an email campaign for this. But for now, I'm just going to click on save and my new product category will be created on Wix. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.